cover the loan workflow, notifications, the auto accept feature, and some of the differences between Android and iOS devices. To start with, let's review a graphic of the workflow. The process is initiated when the tool owner or administrator wishes to loan a tool to a connection. This can be initiated from several views: the tool summary view, the tool detail view, or the search results. So to start with, we have to determine what the tool status is. Is it available? If it's not available, then the tool has to be checked in first. If you're an enterprise user, then the tool can be transferred, and that option will pop up, and that will be reviewed in a separate video. If the tool is available, then the tool owner can send a call to action to loan it. A connection list will display, and the owner can select who the borrower is. Then there will be a confirmation option. The tool owner can cancel the request at that point and do nothing, and the process ends, or it can confirm it. And if the tool owner confirms it, then the connection receives the loan request, of which they can confirm or deny. If they deny, then the process ends and a rejection is sent back to the tool owner. If they confirm it, then the tool status changes to loan for the tool owner, borrowed for the borrower, unavailable for everybody else, and acceptance notification is sent back to the owner. Now let's review what this looks like on the mobile device. We have an iOS device on the left and an Android device on the right. So let's start by clicking on the available tool icon at the bottom on both devices, and we'll select a tool from each device to loan to an employee. On the iOS device, the UI typically works by swiping left, and on the Android it typically works by long pressing. On the iOS device, we're going to click loan. We'll have a list of connections to loan this tool to. We'll select Donald. Then we'll have the option to tell it how long we want to loan it. If it's going to be an indeterminate length of time, we'll just select the maximum number of months. There will be an option on a future release that will say no date, and we're going to press confirm. Then on the Android device, we're going to click on loan, and we're also going to select Donald, and we'll select the maximum amount of time again and confirm. And I'm getting a notification on this device because I had previously signed on as employee Donald on this device, so it's sending me that notification. Now let's take a look at Donald, and I'm going to drag over another device here and show you what Donald looks like. So Donald's going to have a couple of notifications, and he can decline or accept. Let's say he's going to decline the bottom one, the 10-inch compound miter saw. Actually, both of these are, one's a 10-inch model, one is a 12-inch. So we'll decline the 10-inch and accept the 12-inch. So what will happen is his tool count will go from 23 to 24. My screen's not refreshing on my mirroring software here, but it does change on my actual phone. Let me see if I can get it. There it goes. It just refreshed. So it changed to 24 that are borrowed. And if we go back to the company, it will see if we can get it to refresh here. Anyway, my Android's not refreshing on the, okay, it did. 162 are available now on each one, and then loan went from 54 to 55. So we also have several notifications. And it lets us know that employee rejected one and accepted the other one. There we go. Sometimes the refresh is not super quick when I'm mirroring my screen. So on the left, on the Apple device, we get options to dismiss, whereas so I'll do one of them, and on the Android we'll have the dismiss option if we just click on it, and these will refresh here, so I don't have to answer it every time. So notice the other one goes away on the Apple because it was answered on another device. Okay. So that concludes the tutorial on the loan workflow.